Welcome back, students. As you all know, we are discussing past adjustment in your chapter Fundamentals of Partnership Account. Today our topic is omission of interest on capital in the past adjustment. So without wasting your time, let us first read the question. A and B are equal partners and their capital is rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. After the accounts for the financial year ending March 31st, 2020 have been prepared, it is discovered that interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum as given in the partnership deed has not been credited to the partner's capital account before distribution of profit. In this exercise, you can see that there are two partners A and B and their capital is 50,000 rupees and 1 lakh rupees respectively. The rate of interest on capital is 6% per annum and by mistake it is not credited to partner's capital account. So let us first find out interest on capital of both the partners. The interest on capital we first take opening capital into rate of 100. By applying this formula, we can find their interest on capital. Always remember, interest on capital is calculated on opening capital. And in the question, opening capital is given, that is on 1st April 2019. So for A, A's opening capital is 50,000 rupees and the rate of interest is 6%. So 6% of 50,000 would be 3,000 rupees. Similarly for B, in case of B, opening capital is given 1 lakh rupees, rate of interest on capital is 6%. So 6% of 1 lakh rupees is 6,000 rupees. If we take the total, the total of both is rupees 9,000. This 9,000 rupees interest on capital is not credited to partners' capital account. That means they must have not provided even in the appropriation account also. And because of this, all the partners with both A and partners must have received rupees 9,000 more in their profit. Their profit sharing ratio is equal. So both the partner A and B must have shared in 1:1, means 1/2. In equal ratio they must have received. So if we distribute 9,000 rupees in equal ratio, then it will come 4,500. Interest on capital is not recorded in appropriation account. That means because of this reason, profit is exceeded by 9,000 rupees. Partners must have received 9,000 rupees profit more. If we distribute it in equal ratio, then both the partners must have received rupees 4,500 more. So this amount which they have received extra, that we have to cancel and we have to give the effect of their interest on capital. So now let us prepare one working note, one past adjustment table to solve this doubt. And you are familiar now, we have to prepare particulars, two partners and the capital. So particulars, we have Mr. A and Mr. B and total. So already working we have clearly done. You all know interest on capital of both the partner is 3,000 rupees and 6,000 rupees. So that should be credited. So first we will write interest on capital to be credited to partner's current account or capital account, whatever may the case. So here we assume that fluctuating capital is given. So interest on capital to be credited in case of A, the amount is 3,000 and in case of B the amount is 6,000. So total 9,000. This is credit effect. This is credit effect which we have to give. Now this 9,000 is not credited. This means this interest on capital is not credited. Because of that, partners have received excess profit. So that excess profit we will debit. Profit rupees 9,000 to be debited. As it is already credited, we will debit now. So we know this 9,000 rupees partners must have distributed in equal ratio because they are the equal partners. So both must have received 4,500. That effect we will cancel. That means this amount we will debit. To cancel, this amount is debited, and to give the correct effect, this interest on capital is credited. Now let us see the net effect. First we find difference. So if we talk about difference, then in case of A, the difference is coming 1,500 rupees. In case of B also, the difference is coming 1,500 rupees. Now what will be the effect in capital account? What would be the effect in capital account? So this is a very interesting point. How to give debit effect or credit effect? So see, Mr. A, 3,000 should be credited as an interest on capital, and 4,500 we have already credited as a share in profit that we have debited. So difference is coming 1,500. So we can say 4,500 is already credited and this is the actual credit to be given. So we can see in case of Mr. A, 1,500 rupees is credited more because as a share in profit 4,500 is credited, but actual credit should be given of 3,000 only. So 1,500 is credited more, and when credited more, as I told you earlier, when any amount is credited more, we give debit effect. So it will be debited. 1,500 would be debited. Or if you can't understand in this way, you can see here, credit is 3,000, debit is 4,500. So 4,500 is higher, 1,500 higher here. So 1,500 rupees will be debited. Difference amount. Okay. In case of B, 6,000 to be credited. But as a share of profit, we have already credited 4,500. So still 1,500 we have to credit because actual credit should be of 6,000. And we have already credited share of profit 4,500. So 1,500 if we credit, then Mr. B will get 6,000. So in this case you can see 4,500 is only credited as a share of profit, but actual credit should be given of 6,000. So here the case is less credit is given, and as I told you earlier, if any amount is credited less, we should credit. So 1,500 is credited less, so we credit. If you don't understand in this way, then we have second way. 6,000 is credit effect, 4,500 is debit effect, credit amount is more, debit amount is less. So 1,500 difference of these two, this credit effect should be given. So in this case, what would be our adjustment entry? Our adjustment entry would be A's capital account debit 1,500 to B's capital account 1,500, being adjustment entry pass for omission of interest on capital. Adjustment entry we will write in this way. We will put the column for journal. Date is given here. That date you can mention if you wish. 31st March 2020. And as we discussed, A's capital account debit by 1,500 rupees to B's capital account credit by 1500 being adjustment or omission of interest. So I think you must have understood this exercise. You can practice this type of more exercise.